Salam to all, this is FBA, Fatime Banu Akbez. Please call me Banu, and let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin, and Ether. The dollar against Turkish lira last week went down to the territory we mentioned at 1869, 1848, yet it didn't break 1837, 1829, and then turned up. Please pay attention to the last week's high being lower than the previous week's high, and also the last week's low being lower than the previous week's low. Can it be the signal for the required correction start? We'll see. This week, if it is below 1853.80, it shall break 1845, 1843 to try 1836, 1834 zone as for a correction towards 1811, 1809 range. Otherwise, if it is above 1853.80, it may want to break 1869 to try 1910 and our first famous target at 1964. Is the required correction starting? The euro against the dollar last week closed with gain as we expected it to get the support to stay above one level. This week, if it is above 1.0311, 1.0370 range, it may try 1.0495, 1.0514 range. Here, a spike down may not be a surprise and stop increasing afterwards. If it passes this range quick and easy, a rally towards 1.0640, 1.0673 zone shall be triggered. Don't be fooled about being back to good old days. The gold last week had a high at 1,769 and we were expecting a rally to 1,717, 1,729 range. This week, if it is above 1,760, 1,765, it shall break 1,770, 1,774 range to try 1,795, 1,802 zone. Here, a spike down may not be a surprise and stop going up afterwards. If it breaks this zone quick and easy, a rally towards 1,818, 1,837 shall be triggered. Is it starting to break the Fibonacci retracement of the decline since August 2020 at 2075 level? The Bitcoin last week had a high at 21,175 and we were expecting it to break 21,195, 21,845 and then crashed. This week, if it is below 17,125, it may break 16,244 to 15,777 range. The buyers at 15,000, which is the last Fibonacci retracement, may not be enough, and it shall visit the buyers at 13,200, 12,780 zone. The resistance is at 18,254 level. What level are the buyers going to get the majority? Last week, we were expecting the Ether sellers to hit back at 1,715, 1,725 range above 1,609. But last week's high was at 1,608. This week, if it is below 1,300, it may break 1,221, 1,191. Then it shall try the last Fibonacci retracement at 1,050 and 1,040, which is the 20-week Bollinger Band low. Will the buyers at 1,000 be enough, or will it want to fill the gap between 948, 728? We'll see. There's a very strong resistance at 1,400, 1,435 range. What level are the buyers going to get the majority? Thanks for watching. Let's always watch the premieres on Sundays at midnight all together. Don't forget, I was requested to clarify the basic terms I use on my videos. They have already been shared on my Instagram stories, and these stories are being saved on my highlights named as term on my profile. Keep up with them. Looking forward for your comments, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and set a reminder for the upcoming. Bye.